Introduce highlight features or overview summary for iMeshbean Tumbler Heat Press Machine, 30 ounces mug heat press, Sublimation transfer 11 to 15 ounces, 16 to 25 ounces. 30 ounces straight skinny tumblers, cup heat press machine, DIY ceramic mugs, cups, glasses. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Tumbler heat press machine. Fit for ceramic, glass, stainless steel, different material cup, tumbler and mugs. The adjustable diameter range is 2.6 to 3.4 inch, it can sublimation print the 2 PCS, 11 ounce, 12 ounce, 15 ounce mugs in one time, or print 1 PCS straight sublimation tumbler in 16 ounce, 20 ounce. 30 ounce applicable cup volume, 11 to 30 ounce cup diameter, 2.87 to 3.42 inch / 7.3 to 8.7 centimeter. Maximum cup height, 9.8 inch / 25 centimeter. Easy to use. 620 watt heating element. Twist the screw to adjust the heat press machine's diameter to different tumblers. Digital LCD board and innovative knob control to adjust the temperature and time freely. Stainless tumblers suggested 356 degree F 90 second, mugs suggested 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 second. Note: if your cup print design is a full wrap one, we suggest routing and printing for 30 second again. Temp range, 0 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, time range, 0 to 999 seconds. Note: don't heat it when no cup in the heater. High quality. An upgraded double control circuit can obtain real-time monitoring, reducing the possibility of abnormal temperature changes. Equipped with an automatic shutdown function, made of thicker silicone heater, thicker than others, this tumbler press sublimation machine is heat resistant and durable during heating process. The whole body of the tumbler can be heated evenly and continuously. As a result, the pattern which is pressed will be vivid and anti-flaking. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.